Welcome guys to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. But to those who are new to my channel, it is requested to them please subscribe the channel to get the most important and the most efficient way of understanding. So please subscribe the channel and don't forget to leave a comment. So the question today we are having that is, if the price of commodity decreases by 25%, find how much percent its consumption increases so as not to decrease the expenditure. So in the question it says that if the price of something is reduced, then definitely its consumption, the taking of that commodity, is increased. So we have to find out that by how much percent is its consumption will be increased. So for this also we are having two methods. One is conceptual and the other is the shortcut method. So those who want to attempt this question in a shortcut way, so this portion is for them. But for the conceptual, we are here to understand, and the first thing is that you need to understand it conceptually, and that is the best thing I believe. So the first thing we take that let the commodity price be that is 100. So the first price of the commodity we have supposed that is 100. So this 100 is the old price of that commodity. So whatever that thing is, so the old we have taken that is 100 rupees. So this is in rupees and this is the old price we have just taken. And now how much is reduced? So 25% is reduced, and what will be the 25% of the old price? So therefore reduced price will be that is 25% of the old price, and that is 100. So 100 and 100 cancel out and we have now got that is rupees 25. So this is reduced. How much is reduced? That is 25. And the new price we have got that is, so for the new price, so old price that was 100 and how much is reduced? That is 25. So this becomes that is 75, and this is our new price, the new price of the commodity after the reduction of 25%. So now what will be the difference of the old price and the new price? So difference in old and new prices. So the difference will be that is, so how much the old price that was? The old price that is 100 and the new price we are having that is 75. So the difference in old and new price we have that is 25. So 100 minus 75 that is 25. So this 25 is the difference between the old and the new price. And now the percentage increase, so how much the consumption will be increased. So therefore percentage increase in commodity consumption. So how much will be? So the difference we are having, that is 25, and the new price, so here we are having the new price, that is 75. So 25 upon 75 and the percentage, so this is the sign of percentage, so here we multiply it by 100. So this is for the increase by how much percent now the consumption will be increased. So that is, so 25 ones are and 25 threes are, so here we have got that is 100 upon 3. So after dividing 100 upon 3, we get here the answer, that is 33.33, and this 33.33 is our answer. And this could also be written in this form as well: 33 1 upon 3%. So this could also be an answer, because after dividing 100 by 3 you can also get this answer as well. And now, so this 33.33 is the percentage increase in consumption. And now for those who need a shortcut, for them, that is, we take the first thing, that is, let the price increase be, that is P. So we take that is P, and how much is the increase? That is 25%. So we take P as 25, and increase in consumption. So increase in consumption we are having, that is so how much will be the increase? So here this is for the increase in consumption, but how? We take 25% that is reduced in the old price, just same as it is we have taken here. So we take the formula for this, that is P upon 100 minus. Why this minus? This shows the decrease in the price by 25%, and here also P multiply it by 100. So this becomes, that is, so the value of P we have taken, that is 25. So 25 upon 100 minus 25. This minus is the decrease in the price, and by how much? That is 25. Multiply it by 100, and we get here, that is 25 divided by 75, multiply it by 100, and 100 represent the percentage. So this becomes, that is 25 ones are and 25 threes are, that is 75. So here again we have got 100 divided by 3. So this is the same thing we have found here. I hope till here you have completely understood. And further, here we get the same result, 33.33. So this 33.3 is the same thing we have just found. So in a bracket you can have a look. This is the same thing, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.